The gut-brain connection is a fascinating concept that highlights the bidirectional relationship between our gastrointestinal system, often referred to as the gut, and our central nervous system, including the brain. At its core, this connection is mediated by the gut-brain axis, a complex communication network that involves neural, hormonal, and immunological pathways. The gut hosts a microbiome, a vast collection of bacteria and other microorganisms, that plays a crucial role in this interaction by affecting brain function and, consequently, mental well-being. This concept is significant as it suggests that maintaining gut health could provide new ways to improve mental health, offering insights into disorders such as anxiety, depression, and even autism. To illustrate, consider the example of probiotics, which are live microorganisms that, when consumed, can offer health benefits by altering the gut microbiome. Research has shown that certain probiotics can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, providing a potential adjunct to traditional psychiatric treatments. Another example is the impact of dietary choices on mood and cognition. Diets rich in fermented foods, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids can foster a healthy microbiome, which in turn can enhance the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, a critical mood regulator. The gut-brain connection is supported by a growing body of scientific opinion, emphasizing the importance of a healthy microbiome for overall mental health. Some healthcare professionals advocate for a more integrated approach in medicine, combining dietary adjustments with conventional mental health treatments. However, the concept is not without its challenges and controversies. While the evidence is promising, much of it remains correlational, and establishing a direct causal link between the gut and mental health is complex. Critics argue for more rigorous, large-scale studies to substantiate these claims. Additionally, the individual variability of the microbiome means that interventions may not have uniform effects across different populations. Despite these challenges, the gut-brain connection undeniably influences other aspects of mental well-being. By affecting stress levels, emotional regulation, and even cognitive function, the health of our gut has a profound impact on our mental state. As research progresses, understanding this connection could lead to novel preventative and therapeutic strategies for mental health conditions, highlighting the gut-brain link as a promising frontier in holistic health. In essence, this connection underscores a more comprehensive view of health, where mind and body are in constant dialogue, shaping our emotional and mental landscapes. The gut-brain connection, often referred to as the second brain, is a complex communication network that links the central nervous system with the gastrointestinal system. At its core, this connection is facilitated by the gut microbiota, a vast community of trillions of microorganisms residing in the digestive tract, and the vagus nerve, which forms a direct line of communication between the brain and the gut. The significance of the gut-brain connection is profound, as emerging research suggests that gut health can have a substantial impact on mental well-being. This connection is fundamental to understanding how a disrupted gut microbiome can lead to various mental health issues, including anxiety, depression, and even cognitive impairments. One of the most striking examples of this connection is the use of probiotics in managing anxiety and depression. Studies have shown that certain strains of probiotics can produce neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine, which play a critical role in mood regulation. Another example is the impact of prebiotics, dietary fibers that feed beneficial gut bacteria. Consuming a diet rich in prebiotics can enhance the growth of healthy microbiota, which in turn supports the production of short-chain fatty acids that have been linked to reduced neuroinflammation and improved cognitive function. The gut-brain connection has garnered support from various scientific communities, emphasizing the need for a holistic approach to mental health. Experts advocate for dietary interventions as a complementary strategy to traditional mental health treatments, suggesting that what we consume can profoundly affect our emotional and psychological state. However, this burgeoning field is not without its challenges. Critics argue that while there is compelling evidence of the gut's influence on the brain, the exact mechanisms remain unclear and the research is still relatively nascent. There are also controversies around the efficacy of commercial probiotics and the potential for overselling their benefits without robust clinical evidence. This intricate interplay between gut health and mental well-being influences broader aspects of health, emphasizing the importance of integrative medicine approaches that consider the entire body system. By acknowledging the gut-brain connection, Healthcare practitioners can develop more personalized treatment plans that incorporate lifestyle and dietary changes to support mental health. This point underscores the interconnectedness of bodily systems, highlighting that mental well-being is not an isolated phenomenon, but rather the outcome of a complex network of physiological interactions. As research advances, the gut-brain connection promises to reshape our understanding of health and disease, urging a shift towards comprehensive care that addresses both physical and mental aspects of well-being. The gut microbiome refers to the trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes, that reside in the human gastrointestinal tract. This complex community plays a crucial role in digesting food, synthesizing vitamins, and regulating the immune system. Importantly, the gut microbiome is a key player in the gut-brain axis, a bidirectional communication network linking the gut and the brain. It is through this axis that gut health significantly impacts mental well-being, offering insights into conditions such as anxiety, depression, and stress. Understanding the gut microbiome's role is essential in exploring the gut-brain connection. Research has shown that an imbalance in gut microbes, known as dysbiosis, can influence brain chemistry and behavior, potentially leading to mental health disorders. For instance, studies have found that individuals with depression often have different gut microbiome compositions compared to those without, suggesting a link between microbial diversity and mental health. Similarly, the gut microbiome might play roles in modulating the stress response, further highlighting its importance in mental health. Real-world applications of this concept are seen in the burgeoning field of psychobiotics, live bacteria that, when ingested in adequate amounts, confer mental health benefits. For example, certain probiotics have been found to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, offering a potential new avenue for treatment. Additionally, dietary interventions, such as increasing fiber intake, can enhance gut microbiome health, thereby possibly improving mood and cognitive functions. Opinions supporting the significance of the gut microbiome in mental health emphasize the potential for new therapeutic strategies. Scientists and healthcare professionals are increasingly considering the microbiome's role in personalized medicine, envisioning treatments that cater to individual microbial profiles. However, the study of the gut microbiome is not without challenges and controversies. One major hurdle is the complexity and variability of the microbiome among individuals, which makes it difficult to pinpoint specific bacterial strains responsible for mental health outcomes. Moreover, some skeptics argue that the evidence linking gut microbes to mental health is still emerging, and that more extensive human trials are needed to validate these claims. This understanding of the gut microbiome profoundly influences other aspects of the gut-brain connection by opening up new research pathways and treatment possibilities. It underscores the importance of an integrated approach to health, where dietary and lifestyle factors are as crucial as traditional medical interventions. By shedding light on the interconnectedness of the body and mind, the gut microbiome fosters a more holistic view of mental well-being. The gut-brain connection is an intricate, bidirectional communication system between the gastrointestinal tract and the central nervous system. This connection is primarily facilitated through the enteric nervous system, often referred to as the second brain, and involves a complex network of neurons, hormones, and biochemical signals. A clear understanding of this concept is critical, as it underscores the profound influence that gut health can have on mental well-being. The gut-brain axis highlights how disruptions in gut microbiota, inflammation, or digestive issues can impact mood, cognitive function, and overall psychological health. This connection is significant because it suggests that maintaining a healthy gut could be a key strategy for enhancing mental health. For instance, a balanced microbiome has been linked to the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which plays a crucial role in mood regulation. An imbalance or dysbiosis has been associated with conditions such as anxiety, depression, and even neurodegenerative diseases. These insights pave the way for novel therapeutic approaches, such as using probiotics or dietary interventions to improve mental health outcomes. Two notable examples illustrate the real-world applications of this concept. First, research has shown that individuals suffering from irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, often experience anxiety or depression. Treatments targeting gut health, such as high-fiber diets or specific probiotics, have resulted in improvements in both gut symptoms and mood. Second, the Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, has been associated with a lower risk of depression, further emphasizing the role of nutrition in the gut brain dialogue. Support for the gut brain connection comes from various scientific studies that highlight the significant impact gut health has on mental function. However, there are also challenges and controversies surrounding this concept. Some skeptics argue that while there is a correlation between gut health and mental states, it does not necessarily indicate causation. Moreover, the complexity of individual microbiomes means that one-size-fits-all treatment approaches may not be effective for everyone. This gut-brain interaction not only influences mental health directly, but also impacts other aspects such as immune function and stress responses. It suggests a more holistic approach to mental health treatment that considers physical health as a whole. Understanding the gut-brain connection encourages a more integrated view of health, acknowledging that emotional and psychological well-being are intricately connected to our physical state. As such, it underpins the importance of interdisciplinary research and treatment strategies that encompass both mental and physical health care.